hydrogen bond. Just like ionic bond, just like covalent bond. One more bond is hydrogen bond. It is formed between. Anybody can tell? Formed between less electropositive hydrogen, less electropositive hydrogen atom, and more EN value. Like process more EN element. And for your kind of information, between metal and non-metal, metals are more electropositive, non-metals are more electronegative. Between metal and non-metal type of bond is nothing but strong electrostatic force of attraction. Of course, this is also electrostatic force of attraction, but not that much of strength. Weak electrostatic force of attraction between less electropositive hydrogen and more electronegative elements. The bond formed is nothing but hydrogen bond. So IP exam kaadu kabatti objective type questions lo which more EN value should be considered. Which elements are generally more EN values are? Which elements are nothing but fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. नहीं, fluorine, bromine, iodine के लिए नहीं चलता है. The reason is hydrogen तो compare चेस्टे the elements is similar size because hydrogen and these elements are similar size. But if you take a chlorine, if you take a bromine, if you take iodine, large, even though more EN value fluorine, larger size is there. That's why chlorine never form hydrogen bonds. The reason is, देखो, important note है. Chlorine never form hydrogen bond. The reason is size of the chlorine is very big. Size is very big. Large size of the chlorine never form hydrogen bonds. Whereas more EN values like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen can form hydrogen bonds. So hydrogen bond is nothing but a weak electrostatic force of attraction between less electropositive hydrogen and more electronegative element. Note correct. This is a basic thing. What is hydrogen bond? Acha is a weaker than covalent bond, no doubt at all. Even though weaker than ionic bond, but stronger than van der Waals forces. Hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. Once again, simply hydrogen bond. Acha, how it is represented, sir? Representation of hydrogen bonds, can you tell me? Hydrogen bond is represented like dotted lines. Representation kya? The dotted lines. Representation. Once again, very simple. How hydrogen bond will be formed? It is formed between less electropositive hydrogen and more EN value elements like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Acha, for a kind of in Pauling scale, nitrogen is 3.0, fluorine also 3.0. Kya EN values? Nitrogen and chlorine both are having same EN value, but chlorine never form hydrogen bonds. The reason is being a very large size, it cannot associate with the hydrogen. Chlorine never form hydrogen bonds, whereas HF, water molecule, ammonia molecule can form hydrogen bonds. Right? Now, chalo dekho. In NCERT, what the given statement? What is meant by hydrogen bonds? We can look at this. I think you noted all these things. Shall I move to next? Not noted, just make it fast. Very simple, very easy manner. How hydrogen bond will be formed between less electropositive hydrogen and more EN elements. Like these are only examples. Right? This is basic information. Shall I move? अच्छा देखो ये definition is given है. I think this is not IP examination है. Difference we already discussed है. Hydrogen के बीच में and highly electronegative like nitrogen oxygen flows. We discussed what is meant by hydrogen bond. Now hydrogen bond is weaker than covalent bond. Whenever important points you can make in short notes. So hydrogen bond is weaker than covalent bond. It is weaker than covalent bond. Stronger than Van der Waals forces. Stronger than Van der Waals forces. Stronger than Van der Waals forces. अच्छा एक एग्जांपल देखो HF मॉलिक्यूल है. HF मॉलिक्यूल है. अच्छा HF मॉलिक्यूल में देखो वन सिंपल थिंग है. Only HF is given है covalent. अच्छा between two HF molecule है. देखो एक HF molecule है, एक HF molecule है. अच्छा दूसरा HF molecule है, like HF molecule है. अच्छा दोनों के बीच में. अच्छा देखो ये वाला हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. अच्छा whenever this representation है, it has a partial negative charge है, partial positive charge because float is more invariant. This is called hydrogen bonding. अच्छा this is called only HF molecule is nothing but covalent. देखो best example is given hydrogen fluoride. What kind of bond is present है? Hydrogen bonding is present है between the two molecules, not within the same atom. Within the same atom is type of bond formed is nothing but covalent bond. Note करो. Within the same molecule is covalent bond. In between the molecules are nothing but hydrogen bonding. Within the same molecule is called covalent bond. In between the molecules are called hydrogen bonding. Within the same molecule or in between the molecules. This is called hydrogen bonding. This is called covalent bond. अच्छा देखो एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल दिया उन्होंने, एक एग्जाम्पल दिया. चले अच्छा मैटर छोड़ दो, मैटर छोड़ दो. देखो एक HF है, एक HF है. देखो मैंने सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, एक HF मॉलिक्यूल है, दिस कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड है, दिस कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड है. अच्छा बिटवीन द टू HF मॉलिक्यूल है, this is called hydrogen bonding. अच्छा this is called hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. This is called hydrogen bonding. अच्छा I will ask one simple question है. For each HF molecule can form how many hydrogen bonds? For each HF molecule can form how many hydrogen bonds? Two है. देखो two है. For each hydrogen molecule can form. For example, I consider this. अच्छा for this purpose, this molecule के लिए, shall we like try this है? एक HF, एक hydrogen bonding है, दूसरा hydrogen bonding है. So one HF molecule can make how many hydrogen bonds? Note करो, note करो. One HF molecule can form two hydrogen bonds. 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 Like previously I given example, same example with continuation. अच्छा एक HF है, दूसरा HF है, HF, right? अच्छा फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको एनसीईआरटी में दिया HF का. ये स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी स्टडीज में HF ऐसा नहीं बनता है, ये गलत है. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट है. Correct way of representation like this. This is correct way of representation. But a simple manner in NCERT they given a HF molecule like this. two molecules in between the two molecules, but convenience only. For easy understanding only, they given between the two molecules hydrogen bonding is there, but actual representation HF molecule is like this. So each HF molecule can form how many hydrogen bonds? Two hydrogen bonds. You remember, because further we require this concept. Why HF is having least boiling point when compared to water molecule, even though HF is a strong hydrogen molecule. I think remember this point. Further we are using this point. Right? चलते हैं. Right? Now, अच्छा, all I discussed are represented by dotted lines. अच्छा देखो ये वाला, this is very important है, because corner points are always important है. अच्छा maximum, it is a maximum in solid state है, note करो. So hydrogen bonding is maximum in solid state है, and minimum in vapor state. Physical state of the compound depends upon magnitude of the hydrogen bonding bond. Generally, hydrogen bonding is maximum in solid state and minimum in gaseous state. Solid state में close association होता है ना, so solid state में maximum hydrogen bonding होता है. Vapor state में away from each other ना, vapor state में association very less होता है. Gaseous state में less will be the hydrogen bonding है. Solid state में solid phase में more will be the hydrogen bonding. Where some corner point they are asking the question on where it is maximum hydrogen bonding is. Which state में? Solid state में. Minimum क्या है? Gaseous state. अच्छा, further we are discussing because intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, solubility factor है, boiling point factor है, viscosity factor है. All we are going to discuss regarding to hydrogen bonding. चलते हैं. अच्छा, now note करो types of hydrogen bonds. Types of hydrogen bonds. Types of hydrogen bonds. What are the types of hydrogen bonds? What are the types of hydrogen bonds? Types of hydrogen bonding. देखो, one is intermolecular hydrogen bonding है. Inter means in between the molecules. Intra means within the molecule. Very simple funda. Inter का मतलब in between the molecule है. In between the molecules है. अच्छा, intra is within the molecule. Intermolecular is in between the molecule है. अच्छा, intramolecular is nothing but within the molecule. We can discuss one by one. What are examples? Of course, previous example HF is an example for intermolecular. अच्छा, between the same atom or different atoms also. Intermolecular means within the same atoms. Both HF molecule है, like one HF in one water molecule also, like same or different, but in between the molecules. But intermolecular is within the molecule also. अच्छा, first one. It is formed between two different molecules of the same or different compounds. Like between the two HF molecule, between the two water molecule, like between the ammonia and water molecule, between the ammonia molecules. Examples देख लीजिए. अच्छा, देखो ये ammonia. Example one आप देख लीजिए. Between the ammonia similar molecule, in between the molecule. So in between the molecule में आप देख लीजिए. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कैसे बनता है? अच्छा, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है. अच्छा, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है. अच्छा देखो, ये वाला अल्कोहल है ना, ये वाला नीचे वाला अल्कोहल है. अच्छा, शैल वी राइट अल्कोहल एंड ये भी लिख सकता है ना सर. देखो, एक अल्कोहल है, एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, दिस इज आल्सो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर ओनली, दिस इज आल्सो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर, partial negative charge, partial positive charge, that means same or different compounds, it may be formed between the similar molecules and different molecules also, but in between the molecules only. All these are example for intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Example for intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Like between ammonia molecule and between ammonia water molecule and between the alcohols and between alcohol and water molecule and all these are example for intermolecular hydrogen bonding के लिए example. अच्छा, some points are you might remember some points है over here. चले अच्छा, partial positive charge, negative charge ऐसा लिखता है. Of course, hydrogen bonding also represented है. चलो ये बात representation of hydrogen. अच्छा, remember here, whenever intermolecular hydrogen bonding है, what is the properties we are going to discuss is high solubility with a close association, high solubility है इसका अंदर, high boiling point है. अच्छा, boiling point high means volatile nature is less, low volatile nature. अच्छा, low volatile nature है. अच्छा, high viscosity है. अच्छा, उसका उल्टा है क्या है, इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर. So whenever molecule having intermolecular hydrogen bonding, अच्छा, there's high solubility इसका अंदर, high boiling point है, low volatile nature है, high viscosity इसके अंदर. In between them is always these properties are existing. Some physical properties influence the hydrogen bonding అని చెప్తాం. What are the factors? Nothing but high solubility, high boiling point, low volatile nature and high viscosity. अच्छा, we can go for some examples also. अच्छा, मेरा क्वेश्चन है यही था, HF and water molecule. अच्छा, इन दोनों में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग स्ट्रेंथ किसका ज्यादा है? मोर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज मोर स्ट्रेंथ, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का मोर स्ट्रेंथ है, लेस स्ट्रेंथ. बट सर क्वेश्चन इज, even though HF is a stronger hydrogen bonding है HF के अंदर, but boiling point of what is greater than that of HF. Now question is asking, whereas boiling point of water is greater than boiling point of HF. Anybody can tell the reason? अच्छा, note करो question. अच्छा, HF is strong hydrogen bonding है compared to water molecule, but boiling point of water is greater than the boiling point of HF. Boiling point of water is greater than that of HF. Boiling point of water is greater than that of HF. Boiling point of water is greater than that of HF. Anybody can tell the reason? Already we discussed HF, in between the HF molecule, each HF molecule having how many hydrogen bonds? So this point, this thing, I think everybody knows because previously he noted this one. There are two hydrogen bonds for each HF molecule. अच्छा, in case of water molecule आप देख लेते हैं. In case of water molecule हम कैसा दिखता है? चलो मैं एक काम करूंगा, ये एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लिखा है इसका. we already discussed ना, सॉलिड स्टेट में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग मैक्सिमम होता है, when compared to liquid and vapor state. मैंने ice लिया, चलो I go for ice है, anomalous behavior of ice also I go for it. एक, दो, इस cage like structure होता है. Ice is having cage like structure होता है. Means just like diamond, each carbon is surrounded with other 4 carbon atoms. In ice also, each water molecule can surrounded by 4 other water molecules. Each water molecule, wherever you consider water molecule, again this water molecule also surrounded by 4 other water molecules. Now, whenever this we are writing this. Now, देखो, ये bond क्या है सर? Hydrogen bond. ये bond क्या है सर? Hydrogen bond. इसका ये bond क्या है सर? Hydrogen bond. इसका bond का मतलब क्या है सर? Hydrogen bond. So each water molecule can form 4 hydrogen bonds. Each water molecule can form 4 hydrogen bonds, whereas each HF can form 2 hydrogen bonds. So that's the reason why, in order to break 4 hydrogen bonds, we require more temperature only. So that's why, even though HF is more hydrogen bonding, boiling point of water is greater than that of that of HF molecule. Reason there. So in water molecule, how many? 4 hydrogen bonds are there. In order to break 4, we require more temperature. So boiling point of water is greater than HF, even though HF is strongest hydrogen bond. अच्छा, ये भी यहाँ क्वेश्चन भी देखो सर, यहाँ सर समटाइम दे में आपके क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ देखो ऑक्सीजन का कोवैलेंसी कितना सर? यहाँ 4 है, 2 covalent bonds, 2 hydrogen bonds. So micro level, suppose they are asking micro level question and they will ask like this. Maximum divalent oxygen, but here are tetravalent oxygen. Tetravalent में 2 bonds are covalent bonds है, 2 are hydrogen bonds है. Here out of 4 में oxygen tetravalence है. Out of 4 में 2 hydrogen bonds है, 2 covalent bond है. So here hydrogen का देखो, एक covalent bond है, यहाँ भी covalent bond है. अच्छा, 2 hydrogen bonds है. Anomalous behavior of ice. Anomalous behavior of ice because of due to hydrogen bonding. Cage-like structure है. Cage-like structure है. Just like diamond, how each carbon bonded with 4 other carbons. In ice also, each water is bonded with other 4 water molecules. That's why it can form how many maximum number of hydrogen bonds in ice? Each water molecule 4. So boiling point of water is greater than that of boiling point of HF. Right? So some questions previously asked. I'm telling you what kind of questions are asked previously regarding to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Actually, I wrote 4 compounds. My question: which of the following can exist? Which of the following can exist? Which of the following is possible? What is your answer? Which of the following is possible? Which of the following is possible? बताओ. I think you are not. अच्छा देखो, ये वाला कैसा है? K plus HF2 minus. No doubt it is ionic bond, right? ये देखो HF and F minus के बीच में क्या है? HF2 I will write HF2 minus F minus and HF. अच्छा, F minus HF के बीच में क्या बॉन्ड होता है? अच्छा, इसका बॉन्ड क्या है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. But these are not possible, These are not possible among this side. The reason is, अच्छा, K plus, no doubt K plus HCl2 minus is possible, but Cl minus HF का बीच में there is no hydrogen bonding है. Chlorine never form hydrogen bonds है, bromine never form hydrogen bonds है. So this cannot exist. It cannot bonding together only, not possibility there. Like question they will ask you, which are the following it can exist, which are the following molecule cannot exist. Outcome. Next. Okay, for kind of information, acetic acid in aqueous solution, acetic acid in benzene. Achha, anybody can. I think this concept you studied in colligative properties. Achha, somewhere else dissociation and somewhere else association. Where dissociation, where association. What I mean? Very clear. Because Arrhenius theory prakar. According to Arrhenius, acid dissociate in aqueous solution. Achha, there is no doubt at all. There is no ambiguity over here. Achha, H-cation and H2. Vanta factor where we studied only. Vanta factor 100% dissociation I is equal to 2 hota hai. Of course, we are going to study colligative properties also. But in benzene inert solvent में क्या होता है? Dimer होता है. CH3COH taken twice. Dimer होता है, मतलब dimer है. अच्छा, whenever dimer क्या sir? ये association. अच्छा, क्यों dimer sir? What is the reason sir? Because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. अच्छा देखो इस intermolecular hydrogen bonding. अच्छा देखो CH3 COH OH. अच्छा दूसरा molecular shall we write like this? Not only acetic acid, benzoic acid also same है. अच्छा देखो CH3 C यहाँ OH है, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड. अच्छा दोनों के बीच में क्या होता है? दोनों के बीच में क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. That's why we can write like the dimer. CH3COH taken twice. अच्छा, why acetic acid dimer? Because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. But in aqueous solution क्या होता है? Dissociation. Non aqueous solution में क्या होता है sir? Association. Why association sir? The reason is because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. अच्छा మీరు ఎంతమంది కాంప్లెక్స్ కాంపౌండ్ చదివారు కోఆర్డినేషన్ కాంపౌండ్ చదివారు నేను ఒకసారి అడుగుతాను కోఆర్డినేషన్ కాంపౌండ్ చదివి ఉంటారు నిఖిల్ కన్ఫర్మేషన్ టెస్ట్ చదివి ఉంటారా నిఖిల్ కన్ఫర్మేషన్ టెస్ట్ చదివి ఉంటారా ప్రీవియస్ గా అడిగారు కూడా अच्छा in your NCERT they given only 2 lines what is meant by intermolecular what is meant by intramolecular so why sir this many example you are giving is in different chapters because not inorganic का मतलब not only I said ना chemical bonding का मतलब क्या है sir complete inorganic chemistry complete organic chemistry of course these are not coming in this chapter but colligative properties में chapter ये है theory है they may ask the question anywhere else NCERT में है but not in the chapter the remaining chapters में now one more example for intermolecular bonding और remember DMG plus निकला है क्या बनेगा सर आपको क्या है सर anybody क्या पिस्टल बनेगा शरीर एट पीपी मचपेंट रेकॉर्ड से कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड चलिए सर DMG डाइमिथाइल ग्लाइक्सिन dimethyl glycine अच्छा निकिल कॉम्प्लेक्स अच्छा बनता है सर है बता स्क्वायर प्लेनर कॉम्प्लेक्स अच्छा देखो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कहाँ सर, देखो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, देखो ये वाला हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। अच्छा दिस इज प्रीवियस लास्ट क्वेश्चन इन कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स, आपके पास है प्रीवियस लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, एक बार देख लीजिए कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स में। कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में एक क्वेश्चन दिया, cherry red PPT is observed, what kind of observations are they are made, hydrogen bonds are there। अच्छा देखो प्रीवियस क्लास क्वेश्चन में कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में देखो, कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स में देखो, कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री में देखो, एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स में होता है ये क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 सर, पेज नंबर 228, क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, पेज नंबर 228, पेज नंबर 228, क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, am I right? क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, अब एक बार देख लीजिए। अच्छा which are true, I think this is what is red cherry red PPT correct है इनकरेक्ट है, हमें टेस्ट पर निकला है। अच्छा स्क्वायर प्लेनर कॉम्प्लेक्स का टेट्राहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स का, स्क्वायर प्लेनर कॉम्प्लेक्स, this square planar complex, square planar complex। That's why I'm telling that chemical bonding is not only a chemical bonding topics है, so it covers entire inorganic chemistry, entire organic chemistry also। देखो सर रेड पीपीटी करेक्ट ना, टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री इज इनकरेक्ट, स्क्वायर प्लेनर इज करेक्ट है। हाउ मेनी सिमेट्रिकल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, अनसिमेट्रिकल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, सिमेट्रिकल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, अनसिमेट्रिकल, सिमेट्रिकल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। सो मिस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग चैप्टर में नहीं दिया सर, बट समवेयर एल्स एप्लीकेशंस में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कांसेप्ट है। अच्छा फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑर्थोबोरिक एसिड, आई थिंक यू रिमेंबर H3BO3 इज अ लेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है। अच्छा बॉन्डिंग थ्रू लेयर के बीच में बॉन्डिंग क्या है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। इन 13 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में भी स्टडीड है। ऑर्थोबोरिक एसिड इज अ लेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बिकॉज़ ऑफ लिंक्ड थ्रू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है। लाइक आप प्रोटीन्स में देखो आरएनए डीएनए, इन बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स में व्हाई you know RNA DNA why they are more stable है, because of intermolecular हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है। प्रोटीन्स में क्या है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है। सेलुलोज में क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है। बायोलॉजिकल इंपॉर्टेंस में भी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है, इट प्लेस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल। अच्छा बायोमॉलिक्यूल भी एक बार देख लो, बायोमॉलिक्यूल में क्वेश्चन दिया आई थिंक, ask one question biomolecule or else chemical bonding also they given। cellulose में what kind of bonds are there ask करें, intermolecular हाइड्रोजन bonds होता है। चले square planar geometry, symmetric hydrogen bondings are there, cherry red PPT, but which is incorrect statement is tetrahedral is incomplete statement only। I think sir, I think you are biology students, I know that। अच्छा RNA DNA, in DNA also, in RNA also, हाँ sir। अच्छा I think we know A plus G is equal to T plus C, am I right? अच्छा once students are aged, they will get back TC, right? A plus G is AG is equal to age is over TC देता है आपको, सिंपल याद है, सिंपल है। देखो देख लीजिए, between adenine and thymine how many hydrogen bonds are there? Between guanine and cytosine, अच्छा how it is stable because of hydrogen bonding। proteins also primary secondary structure of proteins है, helical structure है, beta pleated structure है। helical structure of proteins are stable because of क्या, hydrogen bonds होता है। so biological importance भी था hydrogen bonding में। of course chemical bonding में NCERT textbook में these applications are not given, but various chapters में hydrogen bonding applications भी था, like 15 group elements में, 16 में, 17 group elements में भी था hydrogen bonding का applications, right? Shall we do one more application sir, hydrogen bonding का, intermolecular hydrogen bonding का particularly, right? shall I? अच्छा देखो HF है, HCl है, HBr है, HA। अच्छा, कैन यू टेल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑर्डर किसका ज्यादा है? बॉइलिंग पॉइंट किसका ज्यादा है? अच्छा, दिस 17 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में दिया, बट इन पर्टिकुलर केमिकल बॉन्डिंग एनसीईआरटी में ये टॉपिक नहीं दिया, बट 17 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में टॉपिक है अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉन्डिंग। अच्छा, सबसे ज्यादा किसका होना चाहिए? HA का, बिकॉज टॉप टू बॉटम वैन द वाज फोर्स इंक्रीज, टॉप टू बॉटम इंक्रीज होता है वैन द वाज फोर्स, solid character also increases. HA is more than HBr than HCl. But for your kind of information, HF is a more boiling point than this one, because HF में क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है, रिमेनिंग में क्या होता है? वैन डर वाल्स फोर्स होता है। अच्छा, वैन डर वाल्स फोर्स आर वीकर देन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, so HF is more boiling point. इसका उल्टा, volatile nature is reverse है। So boiling point order this one है, what is the volatile nature है? What is the volatile nature? अच्छा, volatile nature में क्या है सर? रिवर्स है, HCl is more volatile than HBr है, than HCl है, sorry, than HI है, than more volatile। देखो सर, this is 17 group elements में, just I go for 16 group elements, similar manner, similar type है। अच्छा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, H2S है, H2SE, H2T। Can you tell similar manner hydrates of 15, 16, 17 group elements में boiling point order volatile character very important. Can you tell same one? Same funda? Can you tell same funda sir? Similar manner only. Yes. बताओ, सबसे ज्यादा because of हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, then इसके बाद H2T, then H2SE, H2S। I think this is a practically also experiences sir. Whenever you're doing the laboratory in the salt analysis of cation and anion, practical में H2S gas पास होता है, is volatile है। Once you open the lid of H2S gas है, throughout corridor से smell होता है, because more volatile nature होता है, less boiling point है। volatile का nature का reverse order है, so volatile nature का order reverse है। अच्छा, volatile nature का H2S is more volatile है than H2SE, then H2T, then total। Like 16, this is 16 group elements। But little bit ambiguity in 15 group elements। 17, 16 no problem, like manner only, but 15 में little bit difference, थोड़ा exception is almost similar है 15 group 16 group, 16 17 group elements के। अच्छा, मैंने 15 group elements के लिए लिखा है। अच्छा, can you tell hydrates of 15 group elements है? अमोनिया, फॉस्फीन है, आर्सीन है, स्ट्रिबीन है, बिस्मथीन। अच्छा, नो डाउट बिटवीन मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल, मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल, मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल, ऑलवेज आयनिक बॉन्ड ज्यादा है। वी सेड ना, आयनिक बॉन्ड इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन इवन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग आल्सो। मेटालिक कैरेक्टर ज्यादा है, मेटल नॉन मेटल के बीच में क्या बॉन्ड होता है? आयनिक बॉन्ड होता है। सो हियर दैट इज एम्बिगुइटी, क्या है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है। दिस आयनिक बॉन्ड है, this ionic bond, this is not a covalent bond, this is ionic bond। ionic bond में strong electrostatic force of attraction है, hydrogen bonding में weak electrostatic force of attraction, right? But देखो, then इसके बाद स्टेबिन also metal है, आर्सेनिक is metalloid होता है। देखो, इसके बाद अमोनिया, देखो ये वाला क्या है? ये अमोनिया के बीच में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, देन ASH3 एंड PH3, ये दोनों क्या है सर? ये दोनों क्या है सर? वैन डर वाल्स फोर्सेस। अच्छा, 15 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में लिटिल बिट एम्बिगुइटी है, रिमेनिंग 16 17 में देयर इज नो एम्बिगुइटी होता है, बिकॉज़ यहां मेटल आता है ना, मेटल का बीच में क्या होता है? आयनिक बॉन्ड होता है। आयनिक बॉन्ड इज मोर स्ट्रेंथ व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू हाइड्रोजन। Actually, like obligation they may ask. That's why whenever you're studying chemical bonding, you're studying complete inorganic chemistry also. Sir, all organic compounds are covalent bonds or ionic bonds? Covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are soluble in aqueous solution or insoluble in aqueous solution? Insoluble. But sir, for your kind of information, I think everybody might know very well. Alcohols are soluble in water, insoluble in water. अच्छा क्यों सर? आप पीते हैं ना अल्कोहल? नहीं, मिक्स नहीं देखता है, देखा ना, मूवीज में देखा ना एटलीस्ट, अल्कोहल वाटर में, सोडा में, पेप्सी में, कोका कोला में मिक्स करता है, मतलब सॉल्युबल है इनसॉल्युबल है? रीजन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. अच्छा, whenever some organic compounds are soluble in aqueous solution, इसका रीजन क्या होता है? Like acetone is soluble in water. Acetone is soluble in water. Small organic compound like polar compounds are soluble in water because of hydrogen bonding होता है. Like for example, alcohols are soluble in water. Alcohols are soluble in water. Soluble in water. Whereas ethers, suppose ethers are given है. Ethers are insoluble in water. Reason क्या है सर? ये दोनों के बीच में ROH and ये दोनों के बीच में क्या बॉन्ड है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. दोनों के बीच में क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. बट हम देखो सर, ईथर दिया, नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल है, ईथर है. अच्छा, ईथर एंड अल्कोहल, ईथर एंड, सो इसके बीच में ईथर है, ROR. ईथर इज नॉन पोलर है. ये पोलर मॉलिक्यूल है या नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल है? Ethers are insoluble because of absence of hydrogen bonding. Right? I will ask one simple question for you, sir. H2SO4 and HCl, which is more viscous? Which is more viscous? Anybody? Viscosity, I think you might know very well. Viscosity, surface tension. Which is more viscous? H2SO. Reason, sir? Hydrogen bond. HCl cannot form hydrogen bonds, sir. But sulfuric acid can form hydrogen bonds. कैसा सर? अच्छा देख, OH double bond वो OH. Shall I write on sulfuric acid कैसा? अच्छा, दूसरा sulfuric acid है, shall I write like this? अच्छा, दोनों के बीच में क्या है? Hydrogen bond. But HCl never form hydrogen bonds. Sulfuric acid के बीच में क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज मोर विस्कस है, मोर सॉल्युबल. सो sulfuric acid is more viscous है because close association. But HCl में association नहीं है because absence of hydrogen bonding. ऐसा we said ना, Cl minus chlorine never form hydrogen bonds. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग क्या होता है? मोर विस्कस होता है. Shall I? अच्छा, one previously question asked a question है. Cu H2O taken 4 times SO4 dot H2. अच्छा, we can write Cu SO4 dot 5H2. Simple, you can write like this. This hydrated pentahydrated copper sulfate. Copper sulfate generally even रास्ता. Correct representation. This is correct representation. अच्छा, in this molecule they are asking what kind of bonds are present. Suppose hydrated copper sulfate is given. What kind of bonds are present, sir? So we will ask a question. क्या सर? कैसा आयनिक बॉन्ड सर? हाँ बताओ कैसे सर? ये +2 या -2, नथिंग बट आयनिक। Whenever writing ionic form में ionic bond होता है। अच्छा कोवलेंट within the water molecule is covalent। देखो ये वाला ionic bond है। अच्छा within the water molecule or within sulfate nothing sulfate ion, so what bonds are there? Covalent bonds are। अच्छा for kind of information between metal ion and ligand always D2 bond is there। where is hydrogen bond is? ये lattice water है, ये वाला hydrogen। अच्छा देखो ये वाला, अच्छा O माइनस है, O माइनस है। देखो ये लैटिस वाटर होता है ना, ये लैटिस वाटर होता है ना, ये लैटिस वाटर के बीच में ये क्या वाला है? अच्छा केवल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है लैटिस वाटर में, देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इनसाइड द कॉम्प्लेक्स। these are not hydrogen bonding। hydrogen bonding लैटिस वाटर में hydrogen bonding between sulfate ion and water molecule, the type of bond is nothing but hydrogen bonding। overall this type of compounds are given, what type of bonds are present? all type of bonds, ionic covalent plate। okay चलो सर ये वाला all these are what we discussed, all examples are what kind of bonds are? Intermolecular। now put it in intramolecular। देखो सर इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर मींस within the molecule only, within the molecule only, intramolecular within the molecule only। intramolecular ion bonding within the molecule only। within the molecule। चलो फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो this type of hydrogen bond is found within the molecule, same molecule। अच्छा एग्जाम्पल देखो सर R2 नाइट्रोफिनोल है, R2 नाइट्रोफिनोल है, देखो R2 नाइट्रोफिनोल है। जनरली R2 पोजीशन में इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर होता है, R2 पोजीशन में देखो लिखो सर R2 नाइट्रोफिनोल है। सपोज मैंने क्या करूंगा, सर ये गलत है सर, ये गलत है सही है सर? पैरा नाइट्रोफिनोल। अच्छा एनीबॉडी कैन टेल ये गलत है या सही है? somebody written like this, somebody written like this। सर ये मेटा नाइट्रोफिनोल। My question is why R2 nitrophenol only example for intramolecular? Can you answer me why not para nitrophenol, why not meta nitrophenol? Easily which one? For which molecule? Para and meta। अच्छा I want correct reason। देखो correct reason I am telling you। अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 6 this is 6 member ring ना, 6 member ring is most stable ना। in organic chemistry you study that chain form में 6 member ring is most stable, then 5-member ring, then 4-member ring, then 3-member ring. That's the reason why whenever organic chemistry में ring expansion होता है ना, 6-member ring is most stable होता है. Base strain theory 6-member ring है. So within the molecule this is called chelation बोलता है. Chelating ligands है, chelation बोलता है. 6-member ring है, 6-member ring is the most stable. Suppose मैं यहाँ करूँगा 1 2 3 4. अच्छा 1 2 3 अच्छा ये भी काउंट करना सर. चलो अच्छा मैं यहाँ से करूँगा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8-member ring हो गया. 8-member ring is unstable. अच्छा base strength is explained up to 6-member ring. 7-member ring is also unstable. देखो सर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7-member ring. When compared to 7-member ring, 8-member ring, which member ring is the most stable? So whenever intramolecular is given, so better you go for क्या? Ortho. Only ortho isomers use this kind of bond. Not para isomer, not para isomer. In case of para isomer, better go for instead of intramolecular, intermolecular bonding. The reason, because why reason is it? Why intramolecular only? Why ortho isomer is only intramolecular means because 6-member ring is most stable. 7-member ring, 8-member ring is unstable. This is the reason. But between the two para-nitrophenol, the intermolecular bonding is. अच्छा उसका उल्टा प्रॉपर्टी है, लेस सॉल्युबिलिटी है, मोर वोलेटाइल नेचर है, लेस विस्कस है. Sometimes they're asking the reasons, means what is the reason? This is a correct reason. 6-member ring, 7-member ring, 8-member ring. It is not possible. देखो ये सही नहीं है. 8-member ring, 7-member ring are not stable. But sir, for your information, ये नहीं बना. Shall I arrange this two para-nitrophenol, meta-nitrophenol? हमारा काम क्या नहीं होता है सर, ये para-nitrophenol, meta-nitrophenol, right? But sir, if you go for the same para-nitrophenol, shall I go for like this? This one para-nitrophenol, like under para-nitrophenol also can. Between the two para-nitrophenol type of bond is nothing but hydrogen. But intermolecular. अच्छा para-nitrophenol के बीच में intermolecular possibility है. Because between the two para, within a molecule hydrogen bonding is not possible because 8-member ring होता है. Whereas ortho isomer में क्या intramolecular more feasibility. Para isomer वो चीज़ more feasibility है. Intermolecular more feasibility है. दोनों में वो चीज़ more volatile है. अच्छा intermolecular having high boiling point. अच्छा this intramolecular having more volatile nature. अच्छा, one time question is asked in organic chemistry. Orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol separated by using fractional distillation. Distillation में क्या, which is more volatile, I can separate first. Which is more volatile? Volatile, non-volatile compounds separated by fractional distillation. This is a question previously asked. Orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol separated by what? By using fractional distillation. Sorry. Steam distillation. Steam distillation, sorry, not correct. These two are separated by steam distillation. Orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol separated by steam distillation. These two are separated by steam distillation. Once asked me previously, in I think APMT also, you can check it. This question answer or not. Orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol separated by steam distillation. I think you check it in a topic wise, hydromorphing topic wise. This question answer or not. Orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol separated by steam distillation. Question asked. Chemical bonding में hydromorphing topic में. These two are separated by steam distillation. आपके पास है? निकल है? नहीं, इसमें उसमें भी देखो. Right? इसमें दिया. Page number 29, question number 22. Page number 29, question number 22. Which is more volatile is the less volatile is more boiling point is para-nitrophenol. Both are separated by using steam distillation. Actually, not only orthoisomer, any isomer is nothing but example for intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Shall I move to next? Shall I move to next? हम salicylic. अच्छा, where salicylic is a major compound? Can you tell? Rhymatimine reaction. Rhymatimine reaction में salicylic वस्तु में की. ఎందుకు ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde is most stable అంటాం? Because of hydrogen bonding. Actually గా major compound para compound రావాలి. కానీ ortho compound is major compound అని చెప్తాం. Rhymatimine reaction. The reason is because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Ortho లో ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా intramolecular ఉంటుంది. अच्छा, इसका अदर नेम भी लिखो. ये क्या होता है? ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइल. ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइल. सैलिसिलिक एसिड है ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइल. सैलिसिलिक एसिड भी लिख सकते हैं आप, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये वाला इंट्रामोलेकुलर अगेन देखो, ये 6 मेंबर रिंग होता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये 6 मेंबर रिंग होता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 मेंबर रिंग इज ऑलवेज स्टेबल. सैलिसिलिक एसिड होता है. ये सैलिसिलिक एसिड है. ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइक एसिड. ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोइक एसिड. अच्छा, ఎక్కడ మేజర్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇది తెలుసా? కోల్బ్స్ రియాక్షన్. ఫినోల్ NaOH CO2 కోల్బ్స్ రియాక్షన్ లో మేజర్ కాంపౌండ్ సాలిసిలిక్ యాసిడ్. రైమేటిమిన్ రియాక్షన్ లో మేజర్ కాంపౌండ్ సాలిసిలిక్. अच्छा, ఒకసారి ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ పూర్తి చేస్తున్నాను. చదివి ఉన్నారు, మర్చిపోయి ఉన్నారు. right? I think get an idea about intermolecular, intramolecular, what is meant by hydrogen bonding. What are applications are asked previously? What kind of questions are they may ask in groups also, in organic chemistry also? Shall I? In the formation of hydrogen bonding, there are dipole-dipole attraction at opposite ends. At hydrogen bonding, this is important point, right? Not doesn't. Hydrogen bonding formation never involves more than 2 atoms. Always true between hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen atom, fluorine atom. Only between the 2 atoms only. अच्छा देखो strength of the hydrogen bonding ये वाला देखो, strength of hydrogen bonding ना ये देखो, because polarity है, depends upon polarity. Is more polar then this does this. That's the reason why we said now, even though HF is a more hydrogen bonding है, but water molecule high boiling point region also we discussed. But strength of hydrogen bonding is depends upon polarity one. Polarity increases and strength of hydrogen bonding also increases because polarity na HF molecule, which is more polar and more hydrogen bonding also. Strength of hydrogen bonding you can write order HF, H, O and HN. Where these 3 elements only we discussed na hydrogen bonding the more in way. Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Shall I? All the 3 atoms in hydrogen bonding lies one plane. मतलब HF you take theta. HF molecule means अच्छा देखो example भी देखो. Like for example H, F lines. These are present in same plane only. X, H, X. These are present in one same plane only. This is out of plane. Like that's why I said, no, linear is not possible. Always angular only possible. HF correct representation. Of course, which are not given in NCERT textbook. So we have said hydrogen bonding is maximum. Which state में होता है? Solid state. Minimum किसमें? Miss हमेशा all state में possibility, but minimum vapor state में. The strength of hydrogen bonding is solid is greater than liquid, then gases. Strength of hydrogen bonding is whenever these micro level questions are asked, na, take care about these micro level questions because you read all the points, key points, key notes, but very simple questions are asking now. We ignore all the simple points. अच्छा dipole moment we are going to discuss next class में. Solubility behavior I think we know solubility. More solubility is intermolecular है. Less solubility means intramolecular होता है. अच्छा boiling point and depression freezing point we are going to discuss. Enthalpy of mixing. This I think qualitative properties we are going to discuss all these properties only. But which are not given in NCERT textbook. Don't be panic about this point. अच्छा, no need to be panic about this point. These techniques are not given in NCERT textbook. Don't be panic about this point, right? Just information I am telling. अच्छा एसिलिन में वीक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, क्लोरोफॉर्म में CN में वीक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है. Chlorine has the same electronegativity as nitrogen. Reason, but does not form strong hydrogen bonds. Reason, biostase cannot coordinate with the hydrogen atom. This point is already covered. Right? The chlorine atom is much larger than hydrogen atom, so it is electrostatic attraction or weak one. Close association not possible. अच्छा देखो, deuterium also forms hydrogen bonding, which may be stronger or weaker than hydrogen. You can also note color. Deuterium, not only hydrogen, deuterium also can form hydrogen bonds. Deuterium also forms hydrogen bonds. Not only hydrogen, deuterium also can form hydrogen bonds. These 2 points are already we discussed. No need to cover these 2 points. Last point you can note. Deuterium also forms hydrogen bonds, which may be stronger or weaker than hydrogen. Depends on that. And these 2 points already covered. We covered these 2 points. Don't bother about it. Chlorine never form hydrogen bonds, but one organic compound may chlorine also can form hydrogen bonds. That we discuss. Chloral hydrate. I remember or not? Right? Okay. Actually, we discussed now. KHFF2 can exist, but KHCl2 cannot exist. KHBr2 cannot exist. KHI2 cannot exist. Reason is discussed. Hydrogen bonding. F minus and HF के बीच में क्या होता है? Hydrogen bonding. This point already discussed. This point also already discussed. Right? Actually, less volatile nature, these are all discussed. Boiling point of it, boiling point of H2O. 16 group element comparison we discussed. Comparison, 16 group element comparison. Actually, 15 group element comparison we discussed. Now, you given only 2 examples, but we discuss entire family. This is 16 group hydrates we discussed. 15 group elements we discussed. अच्छा 17 group elements already we discussed. Hydration of देख लीजिए एक बार notes we discussed because they are comparing only 2 compound. We discuss complete family. अच्छा boiling point of amines are in the order. Reason sir, which is giving more hydrogen bonds. अच्छा primary amines ले उन्टे RNH. Secondary amines ले उन्टे अच्छा hydrogen तक बनी है. Tertiary amines लो. There is no hydrogen bonding also. There is no hydrogen bond. So, boiling point of amines are in the order. Reason is primary amines में more hydrogen bonding है than secondary than tertiary. Because organic chemistry में they may ask the questions. Boiling point of amines are in the order primary, secondary, tertiary. So, because hydrogen bonding is a maximum here, then secondary then tertiary. Right? अच्छा glycerol is a viscous nature because of hydrogen bonding. देखो ये वाला glycerol है. Here more hydrogen bondings है compared to ethylene glycol है. Compared to ethyl alcohol, where I have more hydrogen bonds. More hydrogen bonds are there. That's why more viscous. This is more viscous. Then this number of hydrogen bonds increases. The viscous nature increases. This is an example. You will go 3 intermolecular hydrogen bonds with another glycerol molecule. Here 2, here 1. So more number of hydrogen bonds are more viscous. This is called glycerol है, ethylene glycol है, this ethylene glycol है. Ethylene glycol है. We know ethyl alcohol है, this is ethylene. Right? अच्छा, these points will cover in organic chemistry, not in chemical bonding. They are not given chemical bonding. अब एक बार after the completion of the chapter, hydrogen bonding, you can see the NCERT book है. Only 2 paragraphs are given in NCERT book. But we covered all inorganic and organic concepts related to the hydrogen bonding. That is NCERT related only. Strong hydrogen bonding is present in अच्छा ऑप्शन देखो सॉलिड्स में, लिक्विड्स में, गैस में, सॉलिड्स. Strong hydrogen bonds are present in solids. More boiling point is present in primary elements में, secondary elements में, tertiary elements में. Because of more number of hydrogen bonds. Like glycol bond थे. अच्छा solubility we discussed that. अच्छा देख एक बार application देख बार. अच्छा we discussed that. Ethyl alcohol is more soluble in water, whereas ethers are insoluble in water. Because of ethyl alcohol water के बीच में क्या होता है? Strong association होता है, hydrogen bonding होता है. यही examples है. Intramolecular solubility decreases, intermolecular solubility increases. वही point repeat करेगा. This application. देखो orthonitrophenol, salicylic acid are less soluble in water because of intramolecular. Para-isomer is why more soluble? Intermolecular. अच्छा para-isomer లో ఉండేది intermolecular है. अच्छा ortho లో ఉండేది intramolecular है. Intermolecular is more soluble है when compared to intramolecular. Right? More stable है, less soluble है. अच्छा viscosity also same है. Viscosity same, glycerol का viscosity है. Already we said ना proteins में, nucleic acids में, why these are more stable because of hydrogen bonding. अच्छा proteins है, stability of proteins है, nucleic acids है, due to nothing but hydrogen bonding. Biological importance already we discussed that. The same thing, same point is repeated over here. Which one? Which one? Due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, there will be more entropy. Entropy means disorders. Thermodynamic structure. Answer is entropy. 6 member देखना. Ammonia salts are more soluble because of hydrogen bonding between ammonia and water. Because of hydrogen bonding between ammonia and water. Hydrogen bonding is not possible in case of sodium. अच्छा H2O is a liquid whereas H2S is a gas. Reason? H2O में hydrogen bonding है, H2S में there is no hydrogen bonding. These are simple reasons only. Alcohols are having high boiling point, then corresponding alkene है. I also explain because alcohols में intermolecular hydrogen bonding है. अच्छा these are all IP questions, not required right now. Alcohols में क्या हो रहा है? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In order to break, we require high temperature. This kind of questions are we discussed in organic chemistry. अच्छा I was saying glycerol is more viscous than ethane explained because of hydrogen bonding. अच्छा एक और I will conclude that one thing. CCl3 CHO can take place. अच्छा is stable compound or unstable compound? Stable or unstable? अच्छा CH3 CHOH OH. अच्छा whenever two OH groups same compound same carbon it is unstable because it loses water molecule. It loses water molecule. It can form a stirred. This I think concept everybody know in organic chemistry. Two or more than two OH groups are present same carbon molecule is unstable generally, but it is more stable. Reason क्या? Reason क्या? Anybody? अच्छा, for your convenience I am writing like this. अच्छा, 3 bonds రాసుకున్నాం చూడండి. ఒకటి హైడ్రోజన్, OH OH, ఈ కార్బన్ సేమ్. ఈ కార్బన్ కి మూడు క్లోరిన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 3 క్లోరిన్స్ రాస్తాను నేను. ఇంకో కార్బన్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ కార్బన్ కి 3 క్లోరిన్ రాస్తాను. 3 క్లోరిన్ ఎలా రాస్తాను చూడండి. Cl 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 రాస్తాను. अच्छा, ఈ బాండ్ ఏ బాండ్ సార్? ఇప్పుడు మీరే చెప్పారు కదా సార్, క్లోరిన్ నెవర్ ఫార్మ్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ అంటే. ఎస్, వన్స్ అగైన్ రిపీటింగ్, క్లోరిన్ నెవర్ ఫార్మ్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్. కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, రెండు బల్కీ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి Cl, ఒకటి OH. ఒకటి Cl, ఒకటి OH ఉన్నప్పుడు రెండు సైజ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ నియర్లీ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి there is transfer association, but only HCl में there is no hydrogen bond. अच्छा, because of this reason only this molecule is stable. Otherwise, like that, it remove water molecule corresponding all layers are formed. Even though it is having 2 OH groups in same carbon, the molecule is still stable because of this intramolecular intermolecular. Okay, molecule on the different molecules. Okay, molecule. But this is an example for intramolecular hydrogen. ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి కన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ గురించి చెప్పాలండి. గుర్తుంది, స్టాగర్డ్ ఫామ్, ఎక్లిప్స్డ్ ఫామ్, గౌస్ ఫామ్. That's why I said, I once again reminded you, you are studying chemical bonding का मतलब क्या है? You are studying entire inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. क्लोरल हाइड्रेट, इसका नाम क्या है? क्लोरल हाइड्रेट. क्लोरल हाइड्रेट. Why chloral hydrate is more stable even though 2 OH groups present in same carbon? Reason is intermolecular.